Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with the Muyi Airflow spinner. Right here with me for a quick review. But hey guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment down below, and let me know what you guys think about this fella right over here. Would you look at this box from Muyi? Very, very cool collaboration with Pause. This is a huge box, by the way. The camera is pretty close, but anyways, the spinner is right over here. Just a box, nothing to see except for this little box. Very, very velvety, nicely done with the thing like to pull it out from the actual bigger box. And inside you get some goodies like couple stickers and like these guys, of course. Everyday carry, Pause collaboration. You get also like a screwdriver right over here, and you also get an extra bearing and another tag Muyi to take this fella apart, the inner bearing. So I mean guys, this is a really classy one. Look at that. So let's check the measurements first. In millimeters, because I feel European today. We got, look at this, from side to side, 31.06 when you don't have the weights installed. And right over here you have 52.7 with a thickness right over here of about 18.6 millimeters. So compared to some other notorious spinners, right over here you get the Lautier, that's the mini dealer. Right over here ACEDC, that's the 3B. And of course I need to show you the Pillbug, one of the best spinner on the planet, I should say, as well as this another Muyi, and this is the capsule spinner, guys. These are some of the grails in the spinner world, and this is also another very interesting addition. This is the Airflow, and this is a zirconium version for this fella. Of course, as you can see, you can have like 4 weights installed. I just got 2. You can buy another 2 and have it right over here. This thing is, of course, compatible with the capsule spinner and the look at this, and the crucible right there. So it's gonna have the same thread, and you can interchange all these parts. For example, right over here, you see, this is like pretty cool. You can create your own unique combo. If you have many of these guys, you can you know, just play around. So this guy's gonna go around over here. You know, it's pretty cool because you have some finishes, like for example, in this case, titanium and copper is polished, and you can have like the same thing matte, and you can mix them up. And same thing you can do with this fella if you buy other colors. And yeah, I mean, that's a really neat one. You can check out on Fablades.com what's available. You might score one, but I mean, this is a really well made one. Check the details, guys. Like of course it's inspired by the turbines of the airplanes, and look at the machining is just incredible. I mean, this piece right over here, it's supposed to like come apart. I'm not sure how, because I don't see anything, and it feels like pretty tight, so probably it's glued in. I don't know, guys, but would you look at the level of machining? This thing is crazy. Really well made. The polishing on the zirconium is fantastic. Let's check the weight, because it feels like fantastic in the hand. Really good weight. And of course, in grams today, why not? 79.6 grams in your pocket. This thing is really cool. Pretty much a silent one. It spins really nicely, feels solid in the hand. Look at this. Let me try a little bit of stability test right over here. There you go. It's quite stable and quiet. And on the table, It also has a very, very nice sound transmitted to the table. So it feels really good, looks awesome. If you are like a guy like into airplanes, this thing, ooh, this should do it for sure. This is the Muyi Pulse collaboration Airflow. This is the Zirc version. So there you have it, guys. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.